Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As usual, I am back with some new and interesting topic. Today's topic is project management. So let's get started. Never stop learning with Sandeep Bua. Let me tell you in brief like what we will learn today. We will learn what is project management. Gradually we will explore like what are the needs for project management. Then we will cover who is project manager. Then we will explore the full project life cycle, and finally we will discuss what is the next in upcoming video, what you will going to learn and why. So let's discuss what is the formal definition of project management. Project management is the use of specific knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to deliver something of value to the people. Let me explain you in a very simple manner. If you want to do anything or any project which require some kind of knowledge, skills and some software and tools and some kind of project management techniques, so that you can deliver based on the given budget as well as given people as well as given time frame. So that is project management. Now let me discuss what is need for project management. One of the most important reasons to use project management is to align projects with business strategy. So that is first and foremost need for the project management. Next is, without proper project management, budget estimates and project delivery timeline can be missed. If you miss any deadline, or if you cross the budget, or if you miss your timeline, then what would be the situation for your project and your team? You can know very well. Last is, without project management, a team can be like a ship without a radar, moving but without direction, without control or without purpose. So now I think it is very clear what is the need for project management. So now let's go ahead. Now we will discuss who is project manager. So formal definition of project manager is, he or she is a professional who plans and executes projects while working within defined resource like budget and schedule. So this is the project life cycle. First of all, you need to initiate the project, then gradually you can start planning of the project. Once you plan the project, you can actually implement the project, monitor the progress, and finally you can formally close the project. So this is project life cycle. Now we will discuss everything in some detail. In project initiation, first of all you will define the project goals, then you will determine the resources and finally get required approval. In project planning, you need to create a budget, then you can define the schedule, then establish the project team. Now let's discuss what we need to do in project implementation. So you need to execute the defined task, then you need to manage the progress overall for that particular project, then you can make required adjustment whenever required after monitoring the progress, and finally it's our project closure phase. So here you need to ensure all the tasks has been closed as per the defined agreement. Then you need to confirm the acceptance from the stakeholders regarding your project and overall delivery. Then you can share the lessons learned across the team. So whatever mistakes you have done, whatever the lesson you have learned across the project cycle, you need to share that across the team, so that in future your team can equip with that particular knowledge. And finally you can celebrate the project win. I hope it is very clear to you now as compared to your earlier knowledge. And don't forget formal project closure at the end of the project. Now what's next? In upcoming videos, we will learn more about project management methodology like waterfall project management, agile project management, what is Scrum project management, what is Kanban board and related aspect, and what is lean project management, and finally, last but not the least, that is Six Sigma project management. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. We will learn gradually all these project management methodology in upcoming videos. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this short and insightful video. So please don't forget to share with your friends and family and colleagues. Stay safe. Bye bye. Please like and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get notification. Thank you for watching.